If you're thinking about using Creators AI, this just released software, I've got 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. I've tested thousands of AI tools in digital marketing, and this one's got some serious potential. But there are a few hidden gems and limitations you need to be aware of. Before we dive in, you can try Creators AI completely free from the first link below. And trust me, what it's capable of might just save you hours of content planning and creation time. Plus, I'll share a key trick at the end that most people don't know about this tool, and it could 10x your workflow if you use it right. So let's break it down. Creators AI is designed for content creators who want to automate scripting, research, social post creation, and repurposing content across platforms, all in one dashboard. That alone makes it stand out. But what really caught my eye is how intuitive it is. You don't need to prompt engineer or spend time tweaking outputs. It's pre-trained for creators by creators. Now, first big thing, the YouTube script generator. It's not just a basic copy-paste AI. It actually writes scripts based on your channel's tone and niche. And if you connect your existing videos, it adapts. That's rare. Plus, it structures content with clear hooks, CTAs, and value delivery, ready to record. Next, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn captions. Creators AI doesn't just push out generic one-size-fits-all posts. It understands the difference in platform tone, hashtags, and engagement style. This saves you the stress of repurposing everything manually. It also comes with an AI research assistant. This is gold. Instead of Googling for ideas or stats, Creators AI pulls up-to-date data, hooks, and trends, all tailored to your topic. Perfect for staying ahead without doom scrolling for inspiration. Now here's what surprised me most. The multi-language content support is next level. It generates localized content with natural phrasing, not the stiff auto-translated stuff. So if you're scaling globally, this opens new doors fast. Fifth, the brand voice customization. Upload a few pieces of your content, and Creators AI will mimic your tone. Funny, serious, educational, whatever fits your vibe. It's one of the few tools that actually learns you, not the other way around. One thing to keep in mind though, if you're doing long-form content like blog posts or 10-minute YouTube videos, you might still need to layer in some of your own insights. It's fast, but don't rely on it to be perfectly nuanced without a quick review. Now for my favorite part, the content repurposing engine. This alone could justify trying the tool. Take one long-form piece, a YouTube video, podcast, or blog, and it turns it into 15 plus pieces of short content across formats and platforms. Titles, captions, scripts, it handles it. By the way, Creators AI is still new, and that means there are constant updates and improvements. It's evolving fast, and early adopters get access to new features before they go mainstream. That's something most people overlook. Again, you can try Creators AI completely free from the first link below. No risk, full access. And like I promised, if you want my full list of tested and recommended AI software tools, it's all in the description. I've personally gone through thousands to find what actually works, and you can try every one of them free. If Creators AI is even 50% of what you need, it's worth checking out, especially before everyone else starts using it. Let me know what you think in the comments.